everyone, it's Helga, and today at lunch I found two puppets in my kids' meal, so I'm going to do a puppet show, and this should be really good because actually I'm a puppet master. So you may not see me, but I'm behind the stage, and I'm about to start. So everybody, places, everybody get ready, and let the show begin. La 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 la. Hi, I'm Roboto the robot. I'm a robot, and I'm Alicia the owl. I'm an owl. We're best friends. Yay! Owls go hoo hoo. Twitteroo, twitteroo. And robots go beep beep. They also go boop boop and blip blip and funny noises. Oh, that's cool, Roboto. Well, I'm a bird, so I can fly. Wee, fly. Turn off the camera. Turn it off. The camera is off. Ah, help me.